them can't decay. Babylon rise pan greed and lies, build them throne pan people cries, write them laws fi chain the soul, sell false truth and call it whole. Them blind the youth with silver tongue, turn right to wrong, old to young. But I and I know bow nor bend, Jah fire burn until the end.
Chant down Babylon,
Let it fall,
no more system.
no more wall. Truth go rise where the shadows build.
Jah light shine through everything. Chant down Babylon,
Hear the sound,
roots go rise from sacred ground.
no chain hold what Jah set free.
I and I in a liberty.
Them build them world palm broken box, hide the truth in paper stacks, but fire no hide it always show. Through every crack,
Jah light will glow.
crazy system want control, but cannot cage the living soul. From mountain high to valley low,
The righteous chant begin to grow. Chant down Babylon, 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 Babylon.
Babylon, 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 Babylon,
Chant down Babylon, 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 Babylon.
Babylon, Babylon.
No fear in the fire we walk through. No chain in the truth that Jah prove. No silence in voices that rise. Babylon fall before our eyes. Chant down Babylon,
Let it fall,
no more system.
no more wall.
From the root to the highest tree, Jah creation must be free.
Roots of defiance. Roots never fall. Roots of defiance, never fall out. From the side where the truth was buried, from the fire where the pain was carried, I rise with a voice them never silence. Born in the roots of defiance. Them try to bend what Jah makes strong. Rewrite truth, say right is wrong. night blocked out the day. Still I stand where the light remains. Deep in the roots, beyond the pain. Roots of defiance, never break, never bend. Stand firm in the fire, again and again. From the ground to the sky, let the truth be known. Jah build his life, it cannot be overthrown. I stand alone, but never far from Jah throne. Flames rise high, but I don't run. Truth still shine like the morning sun. No fear in the heat of the trial, no break in the sacred style. Though the world burn wild outside, there's a stillness I hold inside. Selah, in the fire. Selah, take me higher. Through the flame, I remain in Jah light. No more pain. Babylon rage like a storm in time, but I know shaking in Jah design. What they build will fade away, but truth still live beyond decay. Through the ash and the broken sound, still I feel that sacred ground. Every step in the burning air, Jah presence always there. Breathe, rise again. Selah, in the fire. Selah, take me higher. Through the flame, I remain in Jah light. No more pain. him built could ever break. No chain can hold I, no wall can stop I. From the light that live inside, I and I will always rise. No chain can hold I, no fear control I. Jah the guide, Jah the way, freedom living I today. Them build them locks and them design, but never understand the divine. What come from earth and breath and flame, no hand of man could ever tame. I walk through shadow, I walk through fire, still I stand and rise higher. Not by force, not by might, but by truth and inner light. Stand up strong, stand up strong. Just show how. Free the soul, free and all. No chain can hold life. Even when the pressure fall, even when the system call, still I stand, still I see. Jah alone set I free. No chain can hold I, no wall can stop I. From the light that live inside, I and I will always rise. Na 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 no na. Bam 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 bam. Ooh, ah. Down in the valley where the shadows stay, no light reach through, no easy way. Steps feel heavy, ground feel cold. Truth get tested, spirit get told. Voices whisper through the dust and stone. Every man must walk alone. No escape, no turning back, only forward through the black. light burn deep in our mind. Though the path rough and the air grow thin, the strength I seek already within. Them try to break what cannot bend, test the soul from end to end. But what is rooted cannot fall, even when the night consume it all. If I fall, I rise again. If I fade, I return within. No way, only passage. Of the night, I rise from it all. Ram bam 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 bam. Down in the valley, down, 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 down. Down in the valley where the shadows stay. No light reach through, no easy way. Steps feel heavy, ground feel cold. Truth get tested, spirit get told. Voices whisper through the dust and stone. Every man must walk alone. No escape, no turning back, only forward through the black. Dread in the valley, I walk the night till the rising sun. Dread in the valley, but I stand firm still. Jah walk beside me, will them valley dark, but I know blind. Jah light burn.